Hello little yogis, welcome to another yoga episode. Roll out your mat, and don't forget to smile. Let's get started. Sit and lift your legs and upper body into a V-shaped balance on your sitting bones. And keep your breath steady as you strengthen your core and steady your thoughts. Lie on your back, lift your hips toward the ceiling, and interlace your fingers under your back as you open your chest and breathe away stored tension and fatigue. Close your eyes, relax every muscle in your body, and let yourself rest completely while your breathing becomes soft, steady, and peaceful. Move slowly between arching and rounding your spine with each breath, releasing tightness in your back, neck, and shoulders while your mind becomes quiet and centered. Bend your knees as if sitting back into an invisible chair. Reach your arms overhead and breathe deeply while feeling heat and energy rise with calm determination. Lie on your belly, lift your chest gently with your hands under your shoulders. And open your heart while taking slow, deep breaths that ease anxiety and emotional weight. Wrap one leg around the other and one arm under the other. Balance softly. Soften your gaze and breathe as your mind becomes focused, clear, and undisturbed. Fold your body gently toward the floor. Stretch your arms forward and allow your breathing to become slower, deeper, and calmer as every stressful thought begins to fade away. Press your hands and feet into the mat. Lift your hips high toward the ceiling, and let your head hang heavy while your spine lengthens and tension melts away with every breath. Stand firmly with both feet grounded, relax your shoulders and focus your full attention on staying calm, steady and present. Sit quietly in stillness, focus gently on your breathing, and allow every passing thought to leave your mind without holding on to it. Bring one leg forward and extend the other behind you. Fold gently over your front leg and breathe into your hips as deep tension slowly dissolves into peace. Hold your body in a straight line on your hands or forearms. Engage your core softly, and breathe steadily as you build quiet strength and mental endurance. Kneel, and reach your hands back to your heels, gently arch your back, and open your chest fully while breathing through the heart-opening stretch that releases emotional tightness. You did an amazing job, and I'm proud of you. Let's catch up later in a new yoga episode. Bye!